My name is Doug Leather, and the objective of our session today is to share with you some of the principles of customer management and to talk a little around our tool set called SCHEMA. To build customer-centric organizations today requires an end-to-end organizational alignment. It's no longer sufficient to have a highly effective sales force or to equip customer service staff with the latest technology. As a business, we need to understand our high-value customers intimately, understand their issues and challenges, be able to speak their language, to know when to be there for them and when to stay away. And when we are there for them, it's about delivering on our promises. Many organizations aspire to be customer-centric today, but very few achieve them. And there are a couple of reasons for that. One is that there are excessive demands on our executives today. So for them to build and sustain a customer-centric culture becomes really difficult and challenging. Sadly, in many organizations, the responsibility of customer management is delegated to a customer care department or to the front line. And that's a real shame, because customer centricity should be nowhere else other than on the board agenda. A good definition of customer centricity really deals and speaks to the operating model or the business system within an organization that enables that business to design and to deliver a unique and distinctive customer experience for business benefit. This means that it requires end-to-end organizational alignment. It means that the traditional functional approach to business needs to be kicked out the door. This is about a joined-up organization such that we're able to deliver the experience to which I refer. Now, a good starting point for any organization looking to embark on a customer-centric journey is for it to understand clearly what capabilities exist in order to deliver the customer-centric approach. Our tool set, called SCHEMA, does exactly that. And it's a modular approach that begins with a very deep assessment of customer management capability within an organization. It can be taken further to assist with defining the future or the desired capability in the business, which in its own right then allows for the design of the appropriate change program, recognizing the scale of change between current and desired. It also benchmarks against best-in-class practice and facilitates a business case justification and motivation through developing a business case and ROI argument that indicates the uplift that will be generated through improved levels of customer-centric capability. That methodology or model is based on approximately 400 organizational practices that address the issues of foundational competencies, enabling competencies, and execution competencies. And when we talk about foundational competencies, we're really talking about the underlying principles and practices within the organization. We're addressing issues like direction and leadership, people and culture, systems and technology, and importantly, data management. Customer management is about treating different customers differently, and we have to be in a position to be able to identify customers individually and addressably. And without business intelligence and the appropriate data management, that'll never happen. Moving on to the enabling elements or components of a customer-centric business model, we look at issues like insight and planning, brand and proposition, channels and media, experience management, agility and workflow, and measurement, which is fundamentally important to create a line of sight or a link between business performance across the entire organization. The execution element of the methodology and model deals with customer value management, and there are 4 drivers or 4 levers that address customer value management: retention, efficiency, acquisition, and penetration, or the REAP levers. Retention is understood. Efficiency in the context of customer centricity really deals with understanding cost to serve our customers. Not all customers are created equal. So we need to understand where we're going to invest more. And an efficient approach or a customer value management approach determines the distribution of value across our customer base. Acquisition is fairly well understood, and when we talk of penetration, we're talking about the cross-sell and upsell capabilities within the organization. And it's the careful balance of those four levers that lead to optimum return on investment from customer centricity. For any more information, please email me on doug.leather@reebconsulting.com or call me on +27 83 327 1010. Thank you.